Ndewono, ana m ekene unu. Aha m bụ Nwaada Chioma. Aha channel a bụ Igbo Academy. My name is Chioma. The name of this channel is Igbo Academy. Today we are going to talk about another figure of speech that is called Anticlimax. Figure of speech, as we all know in Igbo language, is mwetuokwu. Mwetuokwu. And Anticlimax is known as Mgbudaokwu or mwetuokwu. Mgbuda is to carry something down. Mwetu is to carry something down. So in this figure of speech, you're bringing a word, a spoken word or a written word down. You go from the top to the bottom. Nke a bụ usoro a na-agbaso ma na-ekwu okwu site na isi na okwu kacha wee ruo na nke akacha. So you go from a word that is the biggest down to the smallest. That's mwetu. Mwetu just follows the meaning. Mwetu, to bring something down, or mbuda, to bring something down. Ọmụmaatụ ya bụ ndị a. Ụmụnne anyị si na ndị ha chọrọ ihu n'abalị tata maka ikpe ahụ bụ nna Chima, nne ya na ụmụ ha. Ụmụnne anyị si na ndị ha chọrọ ihu n'abalị tata maka ikpe ahụ bụ nna Chima, nne ya na ụmụ ha. So our kinsmen said that the people they want to see because of the case tonight are Chima's father, his mother, and their children. So the father is the highest. In the hierarchy of the family, the father is the highest, then followed by the mother, and then the children. So according to the ranking, the father, the mother, and the children. So that is the anticlimax. You go from the biggest to the smallest. Number 2. O ji akpa buru ji, were aka chiri oroma, ma werekwa ọnụ buru ube. O ji akpa buru ji, were aka chiri oroma, ma werekwa ọnụ buru ube. He or she used a bag to carry yam, used his hands or her hands to carry oranges, and also used the mouth to carry pear. So the biggest is the yam. The biggest food item that this person was carrying was the yam, followed by oranges. You know the yam is bigger than oranges. Then pear, the Igbo pear is black, it's smaller than the orange. So we went from the biggest or the highest to the lowest. Number 3. Nwoke ahụ si n'ụlọ elu kwapụ, kwade n'ụlọ ala, mana ugbu a ọ dịghịzi n'ụlọ ebe obi. Nwoke ahụ si n'ụlọ elu kwapụ, kwaje n'ụlọ ala, mana ugbu a ọ dịghịzi n'ụlọ obi. That man packed his load out of a story building or an upstairs to a downstairs, but now he doesn't have he doesn't have a living place, or he doesn't have a house where he lives. That man packed out from an upstairs to a downstairs, or to a downstairs, yes, but now he doesn't have a place that he lives. So he went from an upstairs to a downstairs, and now he doesn't have any place, any house that he lives. So he's telling us about going from the highest to the lowest, from the upstairs to downstairs, and now he's homeless. So that is the anticlimax, the mwetuokwu or mgbudaokwu. Number 4. O ji anụ, azụ na ogiri wee sie ofe ahụ. O ji anụ, azụ na ogiri wee sie ofe ahụ. If you go to the market, the meat is more expensive than the fish, then ogiri. So we call the most expensive one, or the biggest word there. Before we call the smaller one, then we'll call the smallest one. Number 5 example. Ọnya igwe ahụ madoro oke tara azụ ahụ. Ọnya igwe madoro oke. Ọnya igwe is a trap caught the rat that ate the fish. So we'll go from the highest to the lowest. Okwu ndị ahụ niile edepụtara sitere na nke kachanụ wee ruo na nke a kacha. Ọ bụ ya bụ atụmatụ okwu, mgbudaokwu ma ọ bụ mwetuokwu. So you have known that anticlimax in Igbo language is mgbudaokwu or mwetuokwu. You go from the top of a sentence of a word to the list of the word. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe.